Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Textbook of Mathematics, Grade 10, Unit number 5, Sets and Functions. We have a common definition for this concept of set. The collection of well-defined distinct objects is called a set. In this definition, we observe that we have two main words which are very important. First is well-defined and second is distinct. Object is related to collection. The collection of object is called a set, but it is not a set if these objects are not well defined and distinct. I want to show you some common examples from everyday life. We use many type of sets in our life which easily show us that they are well defined and distinct. This is the collection of brushes for my artwork, and the back side I observe that artistic brush set. This set shows that the collection of these brushes are well defined because these numbers 9, 10, 8, 4, these numbers shows us that these brushes are well defined and distinct. They are distinct. We can count them and we can use them according to their need. According to their need, we can use that. This is a artistic brush set. Next, I want to show you. I have fabric color set. These are colors which I use for my fabrics, and this is the set. Now you can easily see that these are well defined. How these are well defined? Because these shows their individual color. These are not in the same color. These are individual colors, but they are all distinct and well defined, and these are the same because these are the colors, but they are not same in color because it's black, blue, green, purple, brown. Similarly, I want to show you the set of tools. These are commonly used in our everyday life. These tools are distinct, well defined, but they are not the same. These are not the same tools, but it is a set because these tools are used for the same purpose. Similarly, I want to show you the set of pins. This is the set of pins. These are pins. These are not same, but it is a collection. It is a set of pins. These are well defined and distinct. Similarly, I want to show you this set of triangle ruler. This set contains two pieces. One is bigger and second is small. But both, when we contain both in one pocket, we say that it is a set of geometrical drawing. We use these individually set square. We call it set square. These are triangles used in geometry and it is a set. These are distinct and well defined. By these examples, we can easily observe that the collection of well defined distinct objects is called a set. Now I want to tell you something about well defined. Well defined is a word used in set for the property of an object that make it a part of the set of that set. The second is distinct. Second is distinct. As its name indicates, the word distinct to the uniqueness that there should be no repetition of the object. In that set. Now I want to show you again a simple set. Now look at this. These brushes have different numbers and any of them not repeated. For example, 2, 10, 6, 8 and 4. Similarly, I show you the color set. You can easily observe that each color occurs only once. It is not repeated. And the same property which is make it as a part of this set is the liquid color in the tubes, and the same thing here. But in mathematics, I want to tell you something, that in mathematics the collection of well defined distinct objects, we mean that the collection of well defined distinct numbers, because mathematics deals with numbers and these numbers have same properties and have no repetition. By the number, we are familiar with sets of numbers because it's started from grade 4 and onward, and we are very familiar with these numbers, with these sets. Now I want to I think it's enough for definition, explanation of this definition. I want to show you some basic sets and their properties and definitions related explanation. We are very familiar with these important sets. Natural number, set of natural number is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are the basic sets. Now we have three methods of writing a set. Number 1, descriptive method. Second, tabular method. And third is set builder notation. Set builder method. As its name, first we have descriptive method. This method shows us that we can write any set by describing its elements. For example, we can say this set n is a set of all natural numbers, but we have never say that 1, 2, 3, 4. In this second tabular method, this method bound us to write the numbers. We can write all numbers in a bracket form and individually shows these numbers. In this form, descriptive method, a set is described by a statement, and in tabular form, set is described by elements in brackets, just like that. But in set builder method, we describe set by defining two important details. For example, let us take an example for these methods.